Hi folks, this is my white racer loft update. I've been working on this a few days now and I'm getting ready to wrap it up here. Probably got to do a few more things to it. But right now the sun's getting ready to come down. Mosquitoes are getting ready to come out. They're pretty bad. Gotta get my dog Paco in the house too as well. How you doing, Tiger? I mean, Paco is his daddy. Keep mixing him up. Good boy today? You ready to go inside? Yeah, the sun getting ready to come down. Alright, let me show you what I got going on here. I got this mess to clean up too before it gets dark. But, here it is. Okay, now I gotta do some touch-up work. It's painting. Got my perches up, got my nest boxes up, still got to do some work on that. And this was an old shipping crate I got behind one of them stores. I just kind of modified it real quick. Yeah, I still got to put some more boards on the bottom and some more braces and dividers. So the birds don't fall out. I got the top one up there done. Can't see it, but I got some of my homemade nest balls up there. And I can't get up there, but I can put the camera up there. So that should be sufficient for what I'm using it for the time being. Been working on this all day. Finally got my window put in. And that way it's screened off. And I'm going to put a little ledge right here so they don't perch up on this, but can't beat this window. It's going to be good in the winter time because we get some bad winters. And most of the time it's going to stay open. But yeah, that's it. All I got to do is bring my flight pin out this way. And because that way I can see it from the house if there's any hawks. And got my water bowl, water jug, little bracket to keep it off the ground a little bit. Yeah, I got some corn cobs, grind up corn cobs as bedding. And I just use a little bit in here, make it a lot easier to clean up instead of scraping the floors real hard. And these little dividing spots right here, still got a mess here I gotta clean up. But with my feed barrel here, and I might make some temporary breeding pens up here. We'll see. But let me show you what I got going on. Like I said, this is gonna be my flight pin out this way, and I'm gonna probably screen it off on top, keep the hawks from coming down. And I know the hawks are going to have a good time out here. Alright, so here's my window I put in. Looks not too bad. I mean, I'm not a carpenter or nothing, but I think I did a pretty good job. I can use some more paint because the paint I got on here, it just it looks like it needs another coat. Alright, so that is my update on my white racer loft, and I'm gonna get ready to take these little guys out and the breeders out and stick them in here so they can get accustomed to their new place. And I'll be working on the flight pin out here, and it's gonna be the flight pin trapdoor combined. So alright, yeah, I'll get my birds in here and see how they get used to it. Alright, got the white racers in here now. That way the rollers can have more room and I ain't gonna worry about anybody crossbreeding. So it's coming along slowly but surely. You just got to get accustomed to this new loft. all this space for them. Got some young birds down there hiding, and a couple of them up here. So probably about a good 10 young birds so far this year. Starting slowly, but I'm getting back to where I was. And I want to start flying about 100 again. That's my number I used to have. But and you get this black pin trapdoor right here. I'm gonna start getting them used to being around this area. So everything looking good. And I might just go ahead and paint it. Should have painted it before I got them in here, but I just had to hurry and get them out of there. And paint can always come later. Meantime, just need to get them all out and separated. I think they're going to be more happy here and they'll like it more. Alright, and that's my update on my pigeon loft. I think I got about another hour's worth of daylight. It'll start getting dark, so I gotta start cleaning up my mess out here. But anyways, I'm very happy and pleased. Got my white racers back. Okay. And I'll show you some more when I get my flight pin up and ready. Thanks for looking.